Hello friends, with the deadline for filing of income tax return season getting end in a few weeks from now, gathering the accurate and correct information of income to be reported is a key task for income taxpayers. Two forms are critical here to get all the information required to prepare a proper and correct income tax return. Number one is Form 26AS. 26AS was introduced some 10-12 years before by the Income Tax Department. This form contains the income on which tax has been deducted. Like your employer has deducted income tax on your income from salary, or bank has deducted on payment of interest on deposits. Wherever the TDS or TCS has been deducted or collected, those transactions will form part of 26AS. So in a case, if you miss some income on which tax has been deducted, you can always refer Form 26AS and prepare a proper tax memo. Now, the second form is AIS, Annual Information Statement. This form was launched in the year 2021. It's available on income tax portal. After login to the income tax return filing portal, there is a tab called Services. Under Services, this form is available, AIS. So this AIS form captures all the information which is available in 26AS, and it also holds the information which is not available in 26AS. In 26AS, only those incomes are available where tax has been deducted. But there are some incomes on which tax deduction is not applicable. Like for example, interest on savings bank account. Bank will not deduct any TDS on payment of interest on savings bank account, and hence this will not be appearing in the Form 26AS. But not appearing in 26AS does not mean it's not your income. This is still an income for you on which you should be paying the tax. So where to get this information? One is to go to the bank statement, to go through the bank statement and see wherever the savings bank interest income has been credited. That is one thing. But in a case, if you forget to take one particular bank statement while preparing your tax memo, then you will end up with not reporting this taxable income in your return of income. And there will be a mismatch, and mismatch means income tax department will frown up. Be ready for the notices. So what one should do, one thing is going through the 26AS, then he should also go through the AIS, where all the income, all the transactions which you have entered, where income tax impact is there, will be appearing, that will be appearing there in the AIS. like in my example, interest from savings bank account, which is not there in 26as, it will be appearing there, and now you can incorporate in your income tax. AIS also contains the value of your stock market transactions, share sale value, shares purchase value, your profit or gain or loss, long-term capital gain, short-term capital gain, dividend, all those information will be available in the form AIS. So one can always go through the form 26as and AIS before he files his income tax returns. But please note, incomes not captured in these two forms must also be reported in your income tax return. Some incomes which you know you have earned or which is accrued to you, and you should be paying income tax on that. So that you have to report and pay taxes on it. Even if those particular incomes are not available in 26as or AIS. Not appearing in AIS, maybe for some reason the reporting person has not filed his SFT statement properly. He might have given some wrong PAN number, not your, somebody else's PAN number, or whatever the reasons, or he has not filed the return SFT statement itself. If he has not filed SFT statement of financial transactions under your PAN, then those transactions will not be available in 26as or AIS. But this does not mean that you should not be reporting it in your income tax return and not be paying income tax on it. It's not like that. So prepare your tax memo with the information you have. In addition, the information you have, and then check those information, reconcile with the 26as, reconcile with the AIS, and then overall tax memo should be prepared and income tax return should be filed accordingly. Happy tax filing.